Welcome. Are you craving a warm hug in a bowl? Look no further. Today we're making a creamy mushroom bisque with a touch of tarragon. This soup is perfect for a cozy night in, an elegant appetizer, or a light lunch. It's packed with flavor, easy to make, and requires minimal ingredients. So let's get started. First, we want to prepare our mushrooms. We'll need about ½ pound sliced. Set aside some of the prettiest slices for garnish later. In a saucepan over medium heat, melt that tablespoon of margarine. Add the minced onion and cook it for about 2 minutes until softened and translucent. Now toss in those chopped mushrooms and cook for another 4 minutes, stirring frequently. Once the mushrooms have softened a bit, we'll add a thickening agent. Sprinkle in those 2 tablespoons of all-purpose flour and stir it in until everything is well combined. Now for the flavorful base. Gradually whisk in that hot cup of chicken stock. Bring the mixture to a boil. Reduce the heat to low and then add the milk, dried tarragon, and that fresh parsley. Let it simmer uncovered for about 8 to 10 minutes or until the flavors have melded and the soup has thickened slightly. Season the soup generously with salt and pepper to taste. And there you have it. Our creamy mushroom bisque with tarragon is ready to enjoy.